Yes, greetings, folks. Greetings. It's another beautiful day from the Dominican Republic. This is Mosha from MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge in this beautiful island, right on the beach, spot on the beach. If you ever want to come down to the beach and have a nice, authentic Jamaican meal, just come on down. All the food here is cooked fresh, and you can enjoy the view. You can rent a chair, 150 pesos. You get a chair, you get an umbrella, and it's beautiful here. This time of the day, a lot of people are sleeping, so not too many people come out on the beach. But this is Chatty. He's the man that does the chairs for me. When my customers come and they want chair, I call him over and he takes care of the chairs for them. So we take care of you, and that's not the only thing we do here. If you need help with anything else, if you need a taxi, if you need somebody that's gonna take care of you, that to translate, that's not gonna get you in any problems. And we show you, or we got people to call to show you around here at MOSHA Reggae Lounge. So we don't only just do food here, all right? If you need a nice conversation, I have it going on too. You know, any subject you want to talk about, as long as it's not about drugs, excuse my language. But yeah, folks, this is Mosha from MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge. I've been on this beach 8 years. I was the first Jamaican restaurant here in this island on the beach. When I was here, there was no other restaurant on this beach right here. No other business close to me. I was the first one. And I cook my food fresh here. So you don't have to worry about getting sick and nothing like that, okay? You can play chess. If you enjoy chess, you can play chess. I have chess here. You can play dominoes, domino table. You can play backgammon. I even have backgammon. I have cards. So while you're waiting for the food and watching the view, you know, you can play a game. All right, folks, so have a good day, and I hope to see you soon. One love. So yes, folks, I have all kinds of customers that comes here. I got people from Europe, from Africa, from Canada, from Germany. They love it in this place. They love the vibration. They love the food. They love Jamaica. I didn't know my country was so popular until I opened this business here on this beach. The best decision I've ever made in my life, because people cannot understand how a man from Jamaica, even though I lived in the States, could leave an English-speaking country and come to a country that does not speak his language. I spoke no Spanish when I came here. Now I'm fluent in Spanish. And I get lots of customers who comes here who wants to buy property, who wants a lawyer, who wants to settle down. And I help them with that because I have people who respect me and they help me. They get you out of the tourist vibration and put you into a natural local vibration where you get the same treatment like the local people, you know what I'm saying? So I find apartment for my customers cheap, good prices, not tourist price, because you know there's two prices here. You know, every country you go, there's two prices. But I make sure my customers don't get that kind of treatment. You know, I don't just make sure I get their money. I help them if they want to live here, they want to stay here, they want to find an apartment, I help them. And that I'm very good at because I know a lot of people. All right? So yeah, it would be so nice if you could. It's such a beautiful day here on the beach today. So if you Google my business, you will see. You will see. And come on and try the food. Don't listen to anyone say anything about any food here. Go and try the food for yourself. Come and try the food for yourself, and I'm sure you'll like it. Just give me time to cook. If you have time to cook, if you have time to wait, I have time to cook. And I cook a nice meal for you. Guys, have a beautiful day. God bless. Oh, by the way, this is my neighbor. They're playing dominoes. This is one of the things they do. Look at the fun they're having over here. This is Carolina and her friends playing domino. Look at that. This is what we do on the beach. They have nothing else to do but chill and relax and hang out. Yeah. And have fun. Oh, by the way, folks, I made this table that you're looking at right here. I made this table. The top is made out of dominoes. And look at the painting. This is a coin from Maurice Duke, okay, of Saxony. It was painted in the 15th century. This is a picture of God the Father sitting on the throne. He's depicted as a dreadlocks man, a man with dreadlocks in his hair, okay? So you get a little history when you come here too. And this is a Nazarene from India, okay? Because it's not dreadlocks. It's not about dreadlocks or Rasta. Ras is an Ethiopian word, means prince, head, or duke. Tafari is Emperor Selassie's name before he was crowned Prince Tafari. So it's a Nazarite vow. The Nazarenes in the Bible, they took a vow to the Most High to do righteousness. So they would let the eyebrow grow, they would let the hair grow, and stuff like that. So that's where it comes from. That's where all of this comes from. You're supposed to be righteous when you have locks. You know, not everybody is, because it's changed today to a different vibration.